Hello students, this is a common data question from TOC. Question is from TOC, okay. So they have given a DFA. The DFA is like this. And you have to minimize this DFA, and there are two sub questions related to this. First, we have to find out the minimum number of states in the minimized DFA, and then we have to find out which and all states can be merged together. Okay, so which and all states are merged in the minimal DFA, right? So okay, so this is the given DFA. We have this DFA and we have to minimize this DFA now. So this is a dead state. Okay, so don't consider the state. So now what we will do, first we will draw a transition table of the transitions which are given over here. Okay, so there are states Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. No, not Q5, only Q4, right? Q1, Q2 I missed, Q3 and Q4. Okay, so these are the given states. This is Q2. Okay, I will write here Q2, Q3 and Q4. Okay, so don't consider the dead state, and you have to find the equivalence class. Okay, so now Q0, from Q0 0 it is going to Q1, from 1 it is going to Q2. Then for Q1, Q2 and Q3, for Q2 it is going to Q2 and Q4. For Q3 it is going to Q3 and Q4. For Q4 also Q3 and Q4. Okay, just check, this state and this state are having same transition, so these are the equivalence classes. So for minimizing the DFA, the step is like that. Just take a tuple, which are the final state out here, Q2, Q3 and Q4 are the final state, and make other state as it is. Now which and all equivalence classes are there? Q3 and Q4. So make a pair of that. So Q2 will remain as it is, Q3 and Q4. Okay, and this will remain as it is, Q1 and Q2. So now with I can generate now Q3 and Q4 are the equivalence classes, right? And now the states are left Q1, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now for checking whether this among these three any of the two are equivalence classes or all three are equivalence classes or not. Okay, so we will check one by one. First check Q0 and Q1. So with input 0 it is going to Q1 and Q2, right? And with input 1 it is going to Q2 and Q3. So there are no equivalence class present, only Q3 and Q4 are the equivalence class. So these are not an equivalence class, this is not an equivalence class. Now we will check for Q1 and Q2. With 0 it is going to Q1 and Q2. Okay, so with 0 it is going to Q2 only, and with 1 it is going to Q3 and Q4. Now just check, since Q3 and Q4 are equivalence class, therefore Q1 and Q2 is also equivalence class, right? So now we got another equivalence class. Now what is left? Left is Q0 and Q2. Just check this one, 0. For 0 it is Q1 and Q2, and for 1 it is Q2 and Q4. No, now this is not a equivalence class. Okay, so we got this as equivalence class, this as equivalence class, and this will remain as it is. Q0 will be left. So how will the minimized DFA will look like? Now the minimized DFA will something look like this, Q0, right? So now Q1 and Q2 are merged, right? So this will be the final, because Q2 is final, so this will also be the final. Q3 is Q4 are the final in the main DFA, so this will be the final, and the transition will go like this. Okay, so this will be the minimized DFA. So for the this question, for the first question, the answer is how much? What the number of states in the minimal DFA? It is 3, right? So the answer is 3. So the option will be B. Okay, so in the second part, what they have asked, set of states that are merged. So I have merged Q1 and Q2, Q3 and Q4, right? So the option is again A. So the answer is A for the second part. Okay, thank you.